আজকে আমি আপনাদেরকে শেখাবো কীভাবে এক কাপ চা বানাতে হয়, এবং তা আবার হচ্ছে মটকা চা, মটকা টি। So see, this is my tea. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a cup of tea. At first you have to boil your water, understand? Then you have to boil tea leaves for 2 minutes, understand? So it's a milk tea. You can see milk, okay? Whenever the water is boiled, the tea leaves is boiled, then you have to mix milk and sugar. And finally, it's a cup of tea. So I'm a tea maker, I'm a tea seller. Please visit my tea stall, Montane. So the place is in Dhanmondi Lake beside Rabindra Sarobar. It is heart of the Dhaka city. So per cup tea is just 20 taka. So if you like to enjoy this cup of tea, please visit my tea stall, Montane. It is in Dhanmondi, Rabindra Sarobar, Dhanmondi 8. So you can have a cup of tea with your friends, with your colleagues, with your family members. Why not a cup of tea in winter? Take this.